Yo, what's up everybody? It's Young here. We're about to do a little unboxing. Here we go. We got the Ninja Atomos 5. Been peeping this out for a while. Let's check this out. Look at that. Alright, check it out guys. 5-inch 4K P60 HDR monitor recorder. This is dope. 4K 60p Ninja 5. Oh shit. I don't know. How do you open this thing? Good lord. Don't mind the ashy hand. What they say, ashy people needs lotion. That's what they said. That's actually what they really said. Boom. Check that out. There's a tab right here. You pull this tab. Oh, snap. Oh, look at that monitor though. Ooh, hefty. Feels nice. Good size. In comparison, here's my Galaxy phone. So it's a little shorter than that. About the same width, or same width. See what else we got up in this joint. See what else we got. I'll put this on the side real quick. Bam. Ooh. Welcome to the. Oh my God, trolled me. Welcome to the Atomos family. Tight. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, this is the outlet. Okay, hefty. That's pretty hefty. What's in here? Ooh. Accessory heads. Okay. And you got your master caddy, which is interesting. I thought that would be a little bit more better build quality. What is this thing? Oh, here's that adapter. Here's that adapter. And is that it? Is that everything? Is that everything? Is that nothing? No, that's nothing. Check that out. So there's a recorder, master caddy, external power. Boom. That's all you get in the Atomos. Here's the Ninja 5. The build quality is exceptional. It has some heft to it, since the body is metal. Here's the HDMI slot, full-size HDMI. Here's the back where your SSD goes into and your battery tray. Here's the mic line and the headphone jack. For camera that does not have a headphone jack, this is a great workaround. Here's the power adapter for external power and about 4 different type of plugs, external power adapter that goes into your battery tray. Here's your caddy. It's very flimsy, but I'm grateful to have it. And that's the unboxing and first impression. Thank you for watching, guys.